Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It has been a while. Today we are unboxing, installing a protective cover and setting up the Apple AirTag from, Apple. Basically, these tags allow you to know where your stuff are that you often lose or could misplace, such as your keys, wallet and so on. Starting with the package, we know from the start that Apple is very good at this. It delivers always a wonderful unboxing experience, and it proves to be true once again with the AirTag package. It's simple, light and good looking, minimalist. I'm trying to show you all the angles of the package so that you get a good idea. Once we open it up, we have this little piece to pull everything out. After that, we can see it says AirTag, like we don't know what we just bought. Inside, it basically divides into the paperwork and the AirTag package itself. So here it is, the AirTag. It folds up as you could see and it reveals the product. I'm trying to figure out how is it done, how does it come out. It comes with this protective plastic on. After we take it out, we connect the battery and it gives us this sound. Saying that it's ready to be connected. On the back of my AirTag is the name of my YouTube channel. Onto the connection, I have the iPhone SE 2020, which I also did an unboxing and 1 year later review that I'll leave the link in the description so that you can go check it out if you want. You don't have to, but if you want, you could. And to connect, you only need to turn on the Bluetooth like so, and the AirTag will just pop up saying that it detects it. By default, you have some options for a name, but you can choose your own. I choose keys for a default option because it's going to be on set keys because I'm always losing them. It's kind of a habit of mine. After this point, you have to associate the AirTag with your Apple account. And to talk a little bit about price. This single AirTag has a price of $29, but in my neck of the woods it's 39 euros. The good thing of this is that it doesn't have any subscriptions, which would be a bummer, to be honest, because everything nowadays is on a subscription basis. Here's another close shot of the AirTag. When it comes to accessories, there are a lot you can choose from, whether from Apple or other third parties. Here are some few examples, just from the Apple side. Like I told you, I have the iPhone SE 2020 and the AirTag has this exact location function that it's only compatible for the iPhone 11 upwards. My iPhone doesn't get that, but it's not a deal breaker, I'll explain later. From this moment on, I'll be placing a protective cover on the front and the back of the AirTag. And I'm going to give you my honest thoughts on the AirTag. This is what we get on the Find app. You can play a sound, which fair play, it's very useful if you are in the vicinity of it. Here is the sound. And the directions you have are from maps. For example, if you lost your keys in the house, the app tells you that it's in the house, but it doesn't allow you to see exactly like an inch where it is. It just tells you that it's in the house. The best you can do is set a sound and try to hear it where it is. It's not as good, of course, but it's always helpful to know and to have a sound to help you look. In my very humble opinion, I really think it's helpful when you don't know where your item is. Of course, it could be better if you had the exact location feature, but in my case I don't, so if you have it, it's even better. I would definitely recommend buying it for some reasons, like the fact that you can change the battery yourself. You just have to turn the Apple logo and the battery pops up and you just can buy another one and install it yourself. Another reason I would tell you to buy is the fact that other people's smartphones work as a beacon for you to know where your item is. And the fact that it helps me not to lose much time looking for my keys. I know this is unrelated to you, but to me it's very helpful. I'm trying to remember things better, but it takes time. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again on the other one. Thanks. See ya.